Good morning, class. Welcome back to the phonic class. So, today I will tell you the rest of the work on my table. So, here I have taken the big shape of J sound and I have drawn pattern on it. Okay, so today we will color on the J sound. Okay, you can make your own patterns. It's not necessary that you make the same pattern, so we will color it. So as you can see, children, I have colored the J sound. Okay, I have taken red color, so you can take any color you want and you can make the J sound jelly. Okay, so now let's read out the phonic pictures. Okay, for this you need to take phonic picture book and turn on to the page number 12. Okay, page number 12, and here what you need to do is you need to read out the words of the J sound. So let's read out. So it's the J sound. Okay, so we will read the sounds. This is Jeep. Okay, Jeep, it's a vehicle. Jeep. Say with me, Jeep. 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 Joker. 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 Say with me, Joker. Jug. 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 Say with me, jug. Jacket. 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 Jelly. Do you like jelly? Yes, jelly. 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 So these are the pictures related to the J sound. You need to read these pictures. Okay, I will tell you once more. Jeep. Jeep. Joker. 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 Jug. Jug. Jacket. Jacket. Jelly. Jelly. So you need to read these pictures. Okay, so it's a Jeep, Joker, jug, jacket, jelly. So read these pictures along with your parents. Okay, so now children, for the homework you need to take your book, my first writing book, small letters. Okay, you will take this book out and then you will turn on to the page number 22. Page number 22. Here we need to trace and write. Okay, so it's a jam. It's a jam. They have given the formation to jam. So we will trace and write the J sound. So let's start writing the J sound. So start with the first blue line and to the second red line. Okay, so standing line and then the curve to the left and the dot on it. So standing line, curve to the left. Standing line and the 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 curve to the left. So in this way, children, you will write the j sound in your textbook. Okay, so write the j sound neatly and correctly. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon, kids. Bye bye. Enjoy the song.